Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We on Outside Rides with a Z. How y'all doing today? It's feeling pretty good out, man. It's a good day. A little later on in the day, but hey, I'm taking another route. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but we gonna see. My nose is itching. All right. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you're new. We've been stuck at 15 subs, but it's cool. We ain't even been stuck there. We just been vibing. If that makes sense, we've been vibing. Hey, all right. You feeling me? We need a e-bike, a dirt bike. We need something that at least goes 40. You feel me? We need something that goes 40. This not making a cut. It's literally saying I'm only going 2 miles per hour. I think I ought to mess it up trying to tune it. But it is what it is. I had it for a long time anyway. And I'm literally only like, I don't know. I'm more than $150. I'm gonna say that. You know? But we're going straight. Yeah, I'm more than $150. Okay. I remember it was a playground over there. Good old days. Okay. I'll go all the way down here. I might swing that way. I might. We're facing a wind right now. That's pretty much why my speeds are low right now. Facing a wind. Oh, I ain't tripping. Y'all see it. I know you see it. We got Zip Mart over there. I'm with the traffic today. Where you going? Yeah, I'm going with it. Well, they coming behind me. So what I'm gonna do is make this right here. We downtown. Okay. All right. It's smooth. Oh! I got some. Oh my goodness. The street is closed. I forgot the street is closed. They closed the street. And I'm swinging through. Yeah, the street is closed. Damn. Alright. So since the street is closed, what we're gonna do, we're gonna swing. We're gonna most likely swing all the way around. We're gonna head this way. You gonna let him rock out. I should ask him why the street closed, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna sit right here for a little minute. Let them go. Okay, so what is like manual? They doing everything manual here themselves? Everybody's turning. Shit, I'm going with that truck. I'm going with that motorcycle. That's what I'm going with. What if you say, hey? Oh yeah. Okay. I know y'all remember the bar. Y'all remember the bar. I'm scared to get close to that thing. What if that motherfucker? What if it shoot a rock? Ooh. All right, now today that's a deep pot. But we're gonna take that. We're gonna take this hill today, y'all. Since it's daytime, we're gonna take this hill. Okay. Alright, got some cars coming. Yeah, it's a straight shot, so we're gonna take a straight shot. Scooter battery still full, we still full. What is that? I pledge allegiance to the flag. Oh, it's turning yellow. Now it's green. We made it, we just made it. Sheesh, lucky me. What if my scooter go cut out? My scooter ain't gonna cut out going down this hill. I will hope not. But yeah. Okay. If it does, I'm gonna be so pissed. All right, this is hill number 1. This is not even a. Well, this is a little hill right here. This used to be my bus stop, like back there. All right. Yes. All right, so we pushing right now. We pushing. I'm good. I'm good. Let me slow down. Let me come down. Let me come to this stop right here. All right, good. They green. They green. Come on, we waiting right now. We waiting. They looking at me like, what is on the top of his head? Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. All right, we got straight shot. We got straight shot. Beads. Ran over some beads. Doing good on battery. All right, this is it. Oh my God, my old playground. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, nobody coming. We going straight down. We going straight. Oh my goodness, there's people out here. What the hell? All right. Yo, feels good. My stomach didn't even tingle. Usually any other time I go down that motherfucker, my stomach go, ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, hold up. Yo, we used to be all through these ways. Oh my God, look at that pothole. Wow. Now if I hit that, I'd have been gone. We got something right here. Yes, sir. We're gonna hit that shit. And I'm gonna make this right. Got a car behind me. Oh yeah, you know I'm stopping. All right, let's go. I had a car behind me. Yeah, so Race Street, that shit was close. Yeah, damn. What the hell? Why is it smoke? Oh, somebody barbecuing. It was like they was closed out that way. Yo. And I'm going this way. Oi. Jeremy! That boy was locked in. That boy ain't even see me. God damn. I should shoot him and text him and be like, bruh, what are you doing? Alright, so it's closed all the way up here. I'm gonna go as far as I can and see how, how trimmed up it is. Right. Oh, it's nice out today, bro. It's nice out. Just mother. What is this dude doing? What are you doing, Uncle? What's going on? Yes, sir. Oh, that's me. We green, my boy. We green. Yo, look at that. What? Imagine hitting that. Yeah. Oh my goodness. They're trying to take me off the road. Okay. Hey, yes, sir. They jamming. So it stops right about here. Right up here. I don't know what they're doing. I should have asked them, can I come through? I should have said, can I please come through? Just a little slide through. That's about it. All I want to do is just come through. And you see the same. Wait, whoa. They going down there. I can go through? Shit, I can ride my scooter through there. Shit, I'm riding my scooter. Fuck you talking about? Yeah. Yo, what's up? I don't know if they were talking about me. But hey, we sliding through. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all see it, we got a lovely day outside. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like, leave a sub on this video. What's going on? We're gonna close this out right here. Oh god. Yeah, this is one right here. This is one to remember. That's one to remember. If I had hit that, that would have been one to remember. But I could be one you remember, man. Make sure y'all like this video. Drop a comment. Y'all let me know. Drop cities near Cambridge, near Maryland. What I should get a couple homies, pack the bags up, and we should go ahead and pack our scooters up, put them in the trunk, and we go to another city and ride around. But as of right now, we're gonna stick around Cambridge until we get another e-bike. When we get a new e-bike, y'all already know what's going on. Once it's up, it's stuck. But ladies and gentlemen, outside rides with a Z. I'm gonna catch y'all on this next video. We out.